Take away.
I'm off the clock. I'm off the
Put your
clock.
bags down.
I'm off the clock.
Watch out.
Wait, I'm just trying to. Whoa. I'm just trying to.
I'm off the clock. Oh, no, I'm just gonna go sit on your unit.
Hold on, Daryl. Hold on.
See, one thing about me, I get ignorant.
You're not even.
Nah, I'm gonna sit on your unit.
I can't go back.
You better go.
How do you feel about that? Did it feel good?
I love you, Mr. Daryl.
Did you enjoy that?
No. I hate it.
How was that? Was that awesome?
That's so scary.
I was like, she thought Daryl took it. I said, Daryl, is that okay?